Good evening. Now I'll talk about solve linear inequalities that require simplification. Let's first solve this inequality for x is greater than or equal to 9x minus 40. So what we have here, we have an inequality which contains the variable x on both sides, on the left side and on the right side. So first, before start solving this inequality, we need to simplify this inequality. So simply we can cancel the 9x, which is at the right side of the inequality, by subtracting 9x. So simply we can subtract 9x from both sides, so that we need to collect the variables on the left side. So the left side becomes 4x minus 9x. So as you see here, because we are using the subtraction property, so the inequality stays same. And for the right side, we have 9x minus 40 minus 9x. Now we can simplify for both sides. So for the left side, for x minus 9x, we have minus 5x. And for the right side, 9x and minus 9x is equal to 0, so we have minus 40. So by this, the variable becomes alone at the left side of the inequality, but with a coefficient of minus 5. We need to convert this coefficient to becomes 1. So simply we can divide both sides by minus 5, and see, because we divide the inequality by a negative value, so the inequality should reverse. So instead of greater than or equal, it becomes less than or equal. So the left side becomes minus 5x divided by minus 5, and the inequality reverses, and the right side becomes minus 40 divided by minus 5. So we can simply now simplify. For the left side we have x alone, and for the right side we have number 8. So this is the solution for this inequality. So any value of x which is less than 8 is part of the solution for this inequality, including number 8. So now we can express the solution in an interval notation. So we say that the interval which is between 8 and minus infinity are all solutions to the above inequality. See that number 8 is part of the solution, so we draw this bracket. We can graph the solution on the number line. So because the inequality is less than or equal, so the arrow is oriented to the left side, starting from number 8, and also number 8 is part of the solution, so we draw a closed circuit around it. Let's solve this inequality. 12m plus 3 times m plus 7 is greater than 10m minus 24. So what we have here, we have the variable m at both sides of the inequality, and we have constants at both sides too. So before start solving this inequality, we need to simplify. First, we need to simplify this multiplication, so we can distribute 3. So the left side becomes 12m plus 3 times m is 3m, and 3 times 7 is 21. and the right side is 10m minus 24. Now we can simplify. For the left side, we have two like terms. We have 12m plus 3m, so we have 15m plus 21. And for the right side, stays the same, so it's 10m minus 24. Now we have the variable m at both sides, so we need to keep it at the left side. So we need to cancel this 10m. So simply we can subtract 10m from both sides, so that we need to collect the variables on the left. So the left side becomes 15m plus 21 minus 10m, and the inequality stays same. So the right side is 10m minus 24 minus 10m. So now we can simplify. For the left side, we have 15m minus 10m, we have 5m plus 21. And for the right side, the 10m cancel with minus 10m, so we have minus 24 alone. So by this, we have the variable at the left side, but we need first to remove the constant term, which is 21. So simply we can subtract 21 from both sides. So the left side becomes 5m plus 21 minus 21, and the right side becomes minus 24 minus 21. Now we can simplify. So we have at the left side we have 5m, and at the right side we have minus 24 minus 21, which is minus 45. See that the coefficient of m is 5. We need to convert it to becomes 1. So we simply can divide both sides by 5. And see, because we divide by a positive number, so the inequality stays same. So the left side becomes 5m divided by m, and the inequality stays same. And for the right side, we have minus 45 divided by 5. We can simplify. For the left side, we have only the variable m. And for the right side, we have minus 45 divided by 5, which is minus 9. Now we can express the solution in an interval notation. So the interval from minus 9 till plus infinity are the solutions for the above inequality. And simply we can graph the solution on the number line. So because the inequality is greater than, so the solution and the arrow of the solution is oriented to the right side starting from 9. But see that 9 is not part of the solution, so we draw an open circle around it. That's all about how to solve inequalities that needs simplification. Thanks a lot for your watching. Goodbye.